In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove caption text from VO3 videos, making the process not just straightforward but also efficient, all in under 5 minutes. Whether you're creating content for a polished presentation or a seamless viewing experience, this guide will help you achieve that clean, caption-free video you're aiming for. First things first, you'll need to open Gemini. If you haven't used Gemini before, it's an intuitive platform that allows for easy creation and editing of videos, which integrates seamlessly with the VO3 technology. Once you're in Gemini, the next step is to create a new chat. Creating a new chat provides you with a fresh workspace to begin crafting your video, ensuring that all settings and inputs are aligned with the needs of your current project. Now, move your attention to the chat box. Here, you'll find the Tools menu, which is packed with various features designed to enhance your video creation process. Click on this Tools menu. From here, you'll select the option to create videos with VO. This choice is crucial as it opens up the specific functionalities of VO3, allowing you to directly input your preferences for the video you are about to create. Once you've selected VO, you're ready to describe the scene you want to bring to life. Be as detailed as possible. Think about the visual style, the mood and aesthetic you're striving for. This description tells VO3 exactly what you're envisioning, helping it generate a video that matches your creative vision. A key part of this step is to include explicit instructions, not to include any captions. Make sure to communicate this clearly in your description. This is essential because omitting captions from the generated video is not a default setting. You'll need to clarify that your aim is to avoid them. When detailing spoken text within your scene, ensure you avoid using quotation marks or apostrophes. Using these can sometimes cause confusion within the VO system, potentially leading it to interpret the input as needing captions or additional script-style formatting, which we're specifically looking to avoid. Once your scene is fully described and your instructions are clear, click on Generate and wait for the processing to complete. This step is the magic moment where all your described details and preferences are transformed into the final video output. Finally, once you've reviewed the video and are satisfied with the outcome, the last step is to download the video file. You'll find that downloading does not take much time, and soon you'll have your caption-free video file ready to be used for whatever purpose you have in mind. There you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully created a clean, caption-free video using VO3 on Gemini. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.